Have you ever looked at your tiny apartment balcony and thought it was too small to become something beautiful? What if that little outdoor space could turn into a luxurious green paradise that looks straight out of a home design magazine? Most apartment balconies are wasted with empty corners, old chairs, and forgotten storage boxes, but with the right ideas, even the smallest balcony can become the most relaxing and stylish part of your home. Imagine sipping coffee surrounded by lush plants, glowing lights, and cozy seating while enjoying your own private escape high above the busy city streets. In today's video, you'll discover 10 incredible balcony garden ideas that can completely transform your apartment into a modern urban oasis. From vertical gardens and tropical retreats to minimalist Zen spaces, these ideas are simple, stylish, and perfect for apartments of any size. Make sure you stay until the end because the final idea is one of the easiest ways to make your balcony look expensive without spending a lot of money. Number 1. Create a vertical garden wall. A vertical garden wall is one of the smartest and most stylish ways to transform a small apartment balcony into a green paradise. Instead of taking up valuable floor space with large pots, vertical gardens use walls and hanging structures to create layers of greenery that instantly make the balcony feel lush and alive. This idea is perfect for apartments because it maximizes space while creating a dramatic visual impact. You can create a vertical garden using wooden pallets, wall-mounted shelves, hanging baskets, or metal grids. Arrange different plants in rows or clusters to create a modern and organized appearance. Plants like pothos, philodendrons, ferns, ivy, and spider plants are perfect because they grow beautifully in vertical spaces and create a cascading effect that feels natural and luxurious. To make the balcony look even more stylish, use matching planters in neutral tones such as black, white, or terracotta. Adding warm LED lights around the garden wall can create an incredible nighttime atmosphere that feels cozy and relaxing. Vertical gardens not only improve the appearance of your balcony, but also make the entire apartment feel fresher and more connected to nature. Number 2. Add cozy outdoor seating. No stylish balcony garden feels complete without comfortable seating. Even the smallest apartment balcony can become a peaceful retreat when you add cozy furniture that encourages relaxation. The goal is to create a space where you can enjoy morning coffee, read a book, or simply unwind after a long day. Foldable chairs, compact benches, and floor cushions are perfect for apartment balconies because they save space while still feeling inviting. Furniture made from natural materials like bamboo, wood, or rattan adds warmth and elegance to the area. Pair the seating with soft cushions and blankets in neutral or earthy colors to create a modern and calming atmosphere. Surrounding the seating area with plants makes the balcony feel more private and immersive. Tall plants placed in corners can create a natural screen, while smaller pots add texture and color around the furniture. A small side table can hold drinks, candles, or decorative items that complete the cozy look. With the right seating setup, your balcony can feel like a luxury outdoor lounge, even in the middle of a busy city. Number 3. Use hanging plants for a floating garden effect. Hanging plants are one of the easiest ways to make an apartment balcony look stylish, modern, and full of life. Instead of crowding the floor with pots, hanging plants use vertical space to create layers of greenery that feel light and elegant. This floating garden effect instantly makes even a tiny balcony appear larger and more visually interesting. Plants like string of pearls, pothos, English ivy, and trailing succulents work beautifully in hanging baskets because their vines spill downward in a dramatic and natural way. Mixing plants with different textures and lengths creates depth and movement throughout the balcony. Hanging baskets can be attached to the ceiling, walls, or balcony railings depending on the available space. Macrame hangers are especially popular because they add a trendy bohemian look while still feeling modern and stylish. Neutral-colored baskets create a minimalist appearance, while colorful planters can add personality and energy to the space. Hanging plants also improve privacy by forming a soft green curtain around the balcony. Combined with lighting and cozy furniture, they can completely transform the balcony into a relaxing urban garden retreat. Number 4. Design a mini garden. A mini herb garden is both beautiful and practical, making it one of the best balcony garden ideas for apartment living. Fresh herbs add greenery, fragrance, and usefulness to your space while creating a clean and organized garden aesthetic. Imagine stepping onto your balcony and picking fresh basil, mint, rosemary, or parsley whenever you cook. Herbs grow very well in containers, making them ideal for small balconies. You can use wooden planter boxes, ceramic pots, or railing planters to keep the arrangement neat and stylish. Matching containers help the balcony look more polished and modern. Herbs also release pleasant scents that make the outdoor space feel fresh and calming. A mini herb garden works especially well when combined with decorative plants and flowers. Mixing edible plants with ornamental greenery creates a balanced garden that feels natural and visually appealing. Many herbs are also low maintenance and thrive in sunny balcony conditions. Besides improving the appearance of your balcony, growing herbs can save money and encourage healthier cooking habits. It is a simple way to make apartment living feel more connected to nature and everyday wellness. Number 5. Add warm string lights. Lighting is one of the most powerful ways to transform the atmosphere of a balcony garden. During the day, plants create beauty and freshness, but at night, warm string lights can make the space feel magical, cozy, and luxurious. Even a very small apartment balcony can feel like a stylish rooftop retreat with the right lighting setup. String lights can be wrapped around balcony railings, hung across walls, or draped overhead to create a soft, glowing effect. Warm white lights are especially popular because they create a relaxing and elegant atmosphere without being too bright. Solar-powered lights are a great option because they save electricity and require little maintenance. The combination of glowing lights and greenery creates a peaceful environment that is perfect for evening relaxation. Reflections on leaves and planters add depth and beauty to the space, making the balcony look professionally decorated. Pair the lights with comfortable seating, candles, or lanterns for an even more inviting appearance. Warm lighting instantly changes the mood of a balcony and makes it feel more welcoming, private, and stylish for both quiet evenings and social gatherings. Number 6. Use stylish planters and pots. One of the easiest ways to make a balcony garden look more expensive and professionally designed is by using stylish planters and pots. Many balconies feel cluttered because they use random containers with different colors and shapes. Matching or coordinated planters create a cleaner and more sophisticated appearance instantly. Modern planters in matte black, white, gray, or terracotta are especially popular because they blend beautifully with most apartment styles. Mixing textures such as ceramic, concrete, metal, and woven baskets adds depth and visual interest while keeping the design elegant. Tall planters can create structure in corners, while smaller pots soften the overall layout. The right containers can make even simple plants look luxurious. Snake plants, pothos, succulents, and palms appear more stylish when displayed in modern pots. Arranging planters in groups of different heights creates a layered designer look that feels balanced and intentional. Stylish containers also help define the overall theme of the balcony, whether it is minimalist, tropical, rustic, or modern. Sometimes changing the pots alone can completely transform the atmosphere of the space. Number 7. Create a tropical balcony escape. Turning your apartment balcony into a tropical escape is one of the most exciting ways to create a stylish outdoor space. Tropical balconies feel vibrant, relaxing, and full of life, making them perfect for people who want a vacation-like atmosphere at home. Even a small balcony can feel like a private jungle retreat with the right plants and decor. Large leafy plants like monstera, bird of paradise, palms, and banana plants instantly create bold visual impact. Their oversized leaves make the balcony feel lush and immersive. Layering smaller tropical plants underneath adds depth and creates a dense garden appearance that feels natural and refreshing. To complete the tropical look, use bamboo or rattan furniture along with woven rugs and textured cushions. Warm lighting and lanterns add a cozy evening atmosphere that makes the space even more inviting. Tropical-style balconies are especially effective in apartments because they help soften the harsh appearance of buildings and city surroundings. The result is a peaceful green escape where you can relax, recharge, and enjoy a little piece of paradise without leaving home. Number 8. Add a small water feature. A small water feature can completely change the mood of a balcony garden by creating a peaceful and luxurious atmosphere. The gentle sound of flowing water adds calmness and relaxation while helping block distracting city noises. Even the smallest apartment balcony can feel like a spa retreat with a simple tabletop fountain or compact water feature. Modern water fountains made from stone, ceramic, or concrete work especially well in stylish balcony gardens. Minimalist designs blend beautifully with greenery while adding elegance and sophistication to the space. Placing the fountain near seating areas enhances the relaxing effect and creates a more immersive outdoor experience. Water features also pair beautifully with lighting and plants. At night, reflections from the water create a soothing ambiance that makes the balcony feel magical and expensive. Surrounding the fountain with ferns, moss, or tropical plants can make the setup feel even more natural and tranquil. Besides improving the appearance of the balcony, the sound of water can reduce stress and create a more peaceful environment in busy apartment buildings. Number 9. Use balcony rail planters. Balcony rail planters are one of the smartest ways to maximize space while making your apartment look colorful and stylish. Since they attach directly to the railing, they free up valuable floor space while adding beautiful layers of greenery and flowers around the balcony edges. Flowers like petunias, geraniums, marigolds, and pansies look stunning in railing planters because they spill gracefully over the sides, creating a vibrant, cascading effect. Herbs and trailing vines also work beautifully for a softer and more natural appearance. Combining flowers with greenery makes the balcony feel fresh and lively throughout the year. Rail planters improve the balcony's appearance from both inside and outside the apartment. They create a charming exterior that instantly makes the building look more welcoming and elegant. Matching planter boxes can make the design feel organized and modern, while colorful flowers add energy and personality. This idea is especially useful for small balconies because it allows you to grow more plants without sacrificing comfort or walking space. Number 10. Create a minimalist Zen garden. A minimalist Zen balcony garden is perfect for people who prefer simplicity, calmness, and elegance. Instead of filling the balcony with too many decorations, this style focuses on clean lines, carefully selected plants, and peaceful design elements that create a relaxing atmosphere. Plants like bamboo, bonsai, snake plants, and ornamental grasses work beautifully in Zen-inspired spaces because of their structured and calming appearance. Neutral colors such as white, gray, beige, and black help create a balanced and uncluttered environment. Wooden accents, smooth stones, and soft lighting complete the minimalist aesthetic. The beauty of a Zen balcony garden comes from its simplicity. Every item has purpose and space to breathe, making the balcony feel larger and more peaceful. This style is also easy to maintain because it uses fewer plants and decorations compared to tropical or jungle-inspired designs. A minimalist balcony can become the perfect place for meditation, reading, or quiet relaxation after a stressful day. It creates a luxurious atmosphere without needing a large budget or complicated setup. Your apartment balcony may be small, but with the right design ideas, it can become one of the most beautiful and relaxing spaces in your home. Whether you love tropical plants, cozy seating, glowing lights, or minimalist Zen styles, there are endless ways to transform an ordinary balcony into a stylish garden retreat. The best part is that you do not need a huge budget or a massive space to create something truly amazing. Even a few plants, modern planters, and simple lighting can completely change the atmosphere of your apartment. Start with one idea that matches your style, then slowly build your dream balcony garden over time. Soon, your tiny outdoor space could become your favorite place to relax, recharge, and enjoy nature right from home. If you enjoyed these balcony garden ideas, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share which idea inspired you the most.